Amigos, welcome everybody. I want to give you guys a warm welcome to our new channel, Cooking Cabo in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. We are at our family's restaurant, Mercabo, and today I want to talk to you guys about the new channel that we're about to launch, Cooking Cabo. Okay, we want to launch a Cooking Cabo channel because we want to showcase the local scene as well as the local culture of Cabo. We think that Cabo has become a very trendy spot in Mexico for travelers all over the world. And we think that showcasing and showing the local culture, the local food, as well as the way the lifestyle is in Cabo would be interesting for everybody, our friends that are looking over the screen. Cooking Cabo's values will be, first of all, we have to be genuine. We have to showcase the way the community lives here, and we have to stay true to our roots. So we have to be very genuine. We also have to be very fair with the people that join us, our guests, as well as the people that see us. We also have to make it fun and very happy for everybody to be here. We have to be responsible also with the things that we portray. We have to take, matters into action, be responsible what we do. And last but not least, we have to keep it also, of course, in a fun way and honest way as well. The influences or people that we based ourselves or why we decided to open a cooking channel. There's a chef by the last name Weissman, very young guy. Joshua Weissman, he does tremendous, great recipes of different foods all over the world. I also like to follow two Michelin-starred chefs that are from the UK that always like to show also the roots and the way that the food has evolved over the years. They are doing it high-end. Their name is Follow, that's the name of their channel. And last but not least, I also have to talk about the Latino people. So there's a chef by the name of Schwartz that is always baking different things. He's doing, different type of fusions, different types of cultures, as well as molecular food, gastronomy. So basically, those are the three influences that I have as far as to open a channel like this one. I would like to say, live the Mexican experience, man. My friends, amigos, everybody, whether you're Mexican or not Mexican, whether you like Mexican food or not Mexican food, this is a fun channel for travelers, people that like to enjoy the Cabo lifestyle, as well as foodies. Don't forget to join us. Again, press the subscribe button and thumbs up for everybody.